So I'm going to show you how to make a chapati. So we've got these little balls of dough that's made up. Make it into a little disc. Get a little bit of oil. And my mum has this very fancy flour shaker, which I'm sure is not as fancy as I think it is. And then you're pushing that back in to make a little ball. And then you turn it over. A bit more flour. And you can start rolling. So you start all over to get your shape, and then you want to start just rolling the edges to get you and go all the way around so you've got a nice thin edge, and you keep the round shape. Got to be patient with it, keep going round, and don't worry too much if you get a not so perfect circle. That's nice and thin, and then you just roll it out like that. Make sure it's even all over, and that's it. And then it gets cooked on this very clever little chapati pan. And what you want to do is you want to just keep moving it around. So it doesn't burn in any one place. On quite a high heat. You can see starting to see little pockets of bubbles forming, which is really good. Keep moving it around. And then the test is when I turn it over, if it rises. Let's see, is it going to do it? Get in there. Look at that. My mum would be proud. Look at that for a perfect chapati. Now be careful when you touch this because it's full of hot air. And that's it. You're done. Thank you.